Well, we're going to show you these shallow, I think they're soup bowls, not rimmed though, they're more sort of cereal bowl shaped, but you can see just how wide and shallow they are. Could make a large dessert bowl as well. Saraband is the decorative pattern made by Ridgway in the 1940s and 50s. This turquoise band, very characteristic because Saraband's quite narrow on these particular designer plates. Little bit of wear on the pattern in the centre of these. They are, as you can see on the glazed reflection, quite heavily used with spoon and knife marks across them. Period Ridgway china marks on the back for Saraband. These were made 1940s, 1950s. Used vintage condition. I think we've got 2 or 3 of these. You can see here there's somewhere on the turquoise banding, so do be aware of that when you're buying them. They're not being sold as in mint condition, they are used vintage. But somebody somewhere will have been looking for these for ages because it's not a particularly common pattern. There's not an awful lot out there, and to find various shapes and size pieces will have been quite a difficult china search. So these are available on the link below. I think we've got 2 or 3 of them going on catalogue, so have a look through the Saraband listings that we're putting online at the moment. Fair bit of flatware and platters going on sale. Thanks for watching.